You're not walking alone on the journey to a healthy weight. Even though I understand that getting to that destination can be a hassle. So I'm going to share with you in this video what I eat in a day or what I'm trying to incorporate in my meal, in my diet in a day to ensure that I maintain a healthy weight. So, guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Faith, and I film easy recipes and we explore delicacies basically on this channel. So, you're welcome to join us. So, first off, I'm going to be making some juice. This morning, I feel like taking juice. I mean, my system, let's say, I've been able to understand my system to a certain level. So, it depends on how I wake up and what I feel like my system needs. I know that might sound funny, but yeah, so this very day, I woke up feeling like I needed some juice. I needed some green juice. My system needed some detoxification. I just needed something very light and healthy at the same time. So I set out to make a green juice for myself. I have some kale, some apples, and then I'm cleaning the ginger I'm going to be adding. So I've gone ahead to chop all the vegetables, even though I thought I was capturing it, but it happens sometimes like that. So yeah, I've chopped all that I'm going to use, and now I'm just going to cut the kiwi into halves. If you don't have this fruit, just ignore it. It's still okay. You can go ahead with your cucumber, your apples, your green leaf. If you're using spinach, if you're using kale, if you're using ugu, that's still okay. And then you can add some lemon, you can add ginger. That is a game changer. So I'm just scooping out the kiwi into my bowl and I'm going to go ahead and blend them. If you want a dedicated video on how to make the green juice, even if it's green smoothie, I have the video already on the channel. I'm going to link that in the description box. You can check it out for a more detailed recipe. At some point in life, you're looking to gain weight. At other point, you're looking to losing weight. And at some point, you just want to maintain the weight that you have. Whatever category you're in, you're not alone. I'm here to tell you that you're not alone and you're not doing so bad. You're not doing so bad. Just keep at it one day at a time, one day at a time, one day at a time. If you want to lose weight, I mean, get resources, get knowledge on what you need to do, the food you need to eat, the food you need to cut down on. And basically, I've come to realize that, or I've known that, or I learned that, I think that's the better way to put it. I've learned that weight loss is actually basically eating on a calories deficit. So, you know your calories count per day for the lady, for the guys. Just ensure that you are not going above your calories count per day. Once you're able to do that for a number of days, weeks, months, you begin to shed some weight. Or to put this in a more understandable way, so if you use up energy more than you consume, you will lose weight. So, aside eating and all of that, try to be active, try to be engaging in a lot of activities. You could just take walks, it could just be as simple as taking walks every evening, it could just be as simple as exercising. What am I saying? Walks part of exercise. I mean, like maybe running or registering for a gym or just doing some indoor cardio workout and all of that. You just keep at it one step at a time, one step at a time. And also another way you can also help yourself is to get accountability partner. Oh, what I do today to keep healthy, share with your partner. Oh, I ate this, I did this for workout, I did this for my meal, I was able to cut down on this. Once you do that, you find yourself in a more safe space. So now I have that for breakfast, and now I'm going to go ahead and prep what I'm going to have for lunch, and you'll see that in the video. So let's go on with the gist and all that we're talking about. And then if you're on a weight gain journey, basically you need to consume more than what you expend. Like you eat more but you expend little. So if you're somebody that even works so hard and you eat little, you are gonna lose weight. Let's say you're overworking yourself and you have less time to eat. Most of the time you will gain weight. I know that our bodies work in different ways, which is why it's very important for you to understand your body, understand your system. There are people that even if they eat as little as what, they will gain weight. Even if they eat as much as what, some people will not even gain weight. I don't know the category of those kind of people, sha, but we give God the glory for all our body types and all of that. So if you know yourself, then know what works for you. Find out what works. You see, information is key. Information is key. I'm going to stress and stress it. Information is key. I mean, me some years back and me now, when I think about nutrition and food and all of that, I'm like, what? I've grown so much. I've learned so much about nutrition and about feeding, about food, that I wouldn't even think that I'll be gaining this knowledge at this time. But I mean, when you find yourself in some situations, you have to know what to do. I'm currently on, I don't want to say weight loss. Maybe, yeah, I want to put it as weight loss. And I would, okay, maybe not weight loss, but a healthy weight journey, like a healthy weight journey. And first of all, before you get to that point, it's either you're trying to lose or gain, and then you now get to a healthy weight. I mean, the stage where you can now maintain the weight that you have. So I've lost some weight or I'm losing some weight, and then I'm on a journey to maintaining the kind of weight that I want. So, whatever stage you're at, find the information you need, do what you need to do, find an accountability partner, and work at it. It can be a struggle. In fact, it is a struggle because you may not see the results in the first month, in the second month, but if you keep at it gradually, definitely, you will see the result. So I'm making beans and Irish porridge. You can see that in the beans, I had some carrots in it. Well, I saw that I saw that on Instagram. I can't remember the handle I saw it, but the lady puts carrots. She says it cooks fast and all of that, and then releases more flavor into the food. And I tried it, and yes, I'm gonna tell you that it's true. I mean, we're all used to cooking beans with salt and onions. It helps it to cook fast and all. But then try adding carrot as well. It's going to help it cook nicely and then release some kind, carrot is sweet. So it will release another sweetness into the beans. And I absolutely love it. And then I went in with my dry fish, and now the Irish has been added with some blended pepper tomato mix. And just look at how nicely this is cooking. This is one of my family's favorites when it comes to dinner or you cook fix. Like, we love Irish potatoes here. Like, we consume a lot of it. If I when I don't have Irish in my kitchen, it feels like I don't have food. So I'm already compiling like Irish potato recipes that I make, about 10 or so. I'm going to put that up very soon once I'm done compiling all the Irish potato recipes. So I'm just adding now some kale that I used for my juice. I had some leftover, so I'm just gonna add it. You can use any vegetable of choice. You can use spinach, like I already mentioned, anyone. And there you have it. So this is what I'm having for lunch. This is as well healthy. I do not have any what do you call it? Calories count stuff and all, but then I know that with this I'm on the path to a healthy weight. Having had juice for breakfast, I'm not saying you should have juice for breakfast. You can even have eggs for breakfast, as simple as that, and you're okay. So for dinner, I'm gonna have crispy rice salad, something like that. So ordinarily, I would have just gone with what they call it, with just chicken salad. I love chicken salad, just chicken breast grilled with my mixed vegetables. But then I saw this recipe on Delicious Food a day before. I mean, I think that day I'm like, oh whoa, I need to try out this recipe. I need to try it out. So basically, you have your already cooked rice. You're gonna mix it with some oyster sauce, some suya spice. I think that's it. And just give it a good mix, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, yeah. Sprinkling some oil on it. And then you're going to transfer that to either your air fryer or your oven to just bake it. Remember, the rice is already cooked. So you just need to mix it and then transfer it to oven or air fryer. For me, I'm using an air fryer. I'm just gonna pour that and let that bake. Basically, you need it dry, hence the name crispy rice. So while that is enjoying itself, having a good time in the air fryer, I'm gonna go ahead and prep other ingredients as you see as the video progresses. So back to our weight pep talk. Don't let anybody deceive you that weight control or weight either gain or loss or whatever it is, it's an easy journey. In fact, it's not even a destination, it is a journey. You're going to keep at it, I mean, basically for the rest of your life. Because if you just assume that, oh, now I've attained the weight that I want, and you begin to eat all manner of things, you begin to, you don't even exercise, you don't do all of that, before you know it, you go back to the weight that you didn't want to. And if you want to gain weight and you feel like, I've attained the kind of weight I want to attain now, so I'm not going to be eating well, I'm not going to be resting, I'm not going to be exercising, you're going to lose the weight again. So whichever stage you're at, know that it's not a destination, it's a journey. It's more of a lifestyle. It's more of what you keep doing. So don't pressure yourself. I'm going to say this again. Don't pressure yourself. It's better to be consistent, gradually, baby steps, than to stock up yourself in 1 month, 2, 3 months, achieve what you want, and then you're back to square zero. You're back again, like you're falling again to the ground. No, we don't want that. It's forward ever, forward ever, forward ever. So, baby steps, be consistent, and do what you need to do. Even when you crave like other things that you feel like, oh, for my diet I don't need this, don't punish yourself. Eat it, but eat it in small portions. Eat it in small portions. Nobody says because you're on weight gain you should never take ice cream again, you should never eat pizza, you should never eat donuts, you should never eat this. You can eat all of that. In fact, your body needs all of these things, but in the right proportion. In the right proportion. So yeah, do it and ensure that you're not punishing yourself. You're not making it feel like a chore, but something that you enjoy, something that can last through or take last through the test of time. Oh, how do you say it? Something that can go through the hey, whatever. You get the English, you get the gist. Shasha, what I'm saying is that something that can last you through time, such that you don't start today and tomorrow you break down. So I already seasoned my chicken, and I used some black pepper powder, salt. What did I add? What did again? Added what do you call it? Oyster sauce and all of that. So yeah, it's also marinating. When I finish chopping the vegetables, we'll go ahead with the other process. So for my salad, I have cucumber, I have bell pepper, I have carrots, I have cabbage, I have lettuce. I'm just chopping them into small bits. Whatever I'm doing when it has to do with cooking and vegetables, I try to achieve the same size, the same shape, so that my food is presentable, my food is looking nice. So this is what I'm doing. I'm chopping them bit into the size and shape that I want my salad to look like. If you have cutters, choppers, you can use that to achieve whatever size, whatever shape you want it to be. Another tip that can help you on your weight journey is to try and meal prep as much as possible. See, one advantage of meal prepping, I mean, the obvious one is that it saves you time. Yes, it saves you time, it saves you energy. Having to come to the kitchen and cooking from scratch and spending hours each day, that can be eliminated when you meal prep. I mean, you just have to get out what you've prepped, and then set it, mix it. In the next few minutes, your food is ready. So, aside that, one of the advantages that for being on a weight loss or weight gain, weight control journey, it helps you to know what to eat. Basically, as basic and simple as this, it helps you to know what to eat. So assuming that you don't have meal prep and you're hungry, the next available thing is what you want to eat. Junks, whatever you see, you want to just eat biscuito, this one, or all of that. But once you have meal prepped, that will save it. And you know that, okay, for lunch, I already have this down. All I need to do is take it out, mix it, do this, and my food is ready. So when you know what you're going to eat per day, per week, you can plan that and then simply take it out or make it ready when you want to eat. in no time. Now everything is ready. You can see how crispy the rice looks. We're going to assemble them now in a bowl. I have the lettuce and the cabbage neatly chopped, and tomatoes, cucumber, and carrots. With the already fried chicken breasts, I'm just going to mix it with this, and as well we're going to mix some of the rice. Yeah, I know that this recipe is funny, but yeah, I tried it and I enjoyed it. Like, I enjoyed it. The fact that you're eating salad, you're hearing crus crus. That's just the crispy sound of the rice. It's really nice. And then also with the chicken in it, of course, chicken salad is a banger. It's a banger anytime, any day. So yeah, I hope you can try out this recipe. Let me know if you want to try it out, or if, even if you've tried it out, what's your take on it? And also, let's interact in the comment section. What's your weight? I mean, if you don't mind sharing, what stage you're at. Are you on a weight control, or weight gain, or weight loss? Let us know in the comment section. If you have other tips, please feel free to share with us so we can all learn together. I mean, we're all learning, we're all growing. So yeah, let's learn together. This is just some lemon that I'm adding to it. This is a game changer. Whenever you make salad, at the end of it, squeeze in some lemon, some black pepper if you have it, and a little bit of salt, and then you thank me later. So yeah, my salad is ready. This is what I'm having for dinner. So as you can see, my breakfast was just a green juice for detox because I wanted to. Ordinarily, maybe I'll take oats or something, or boiled eggs. So let me know if you enjoyed watching this and you'd like to see more videos like this. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye.